This is how to withdraw money from PayPal to bank account. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest way to transfer PayPal to bank account using P2P method. P2P here refer to peer-to-peer transactions, and you can see this is my AirTM mobile app. This is the platform that is going to help us execute this transaction. If at the end of the day you decide to transfer your PayPal money to the free AirTM virtual US bank account that you can get on AirTM, AirTM will give you another reward bonus of $10. That is after you must have done over $300 transaction using that your virtual bank account that you get on this platform. For you to move your money from your PayPal to your bank account, the first thing you need to do is to transfer the money from your PayPal to this platform. To do that, you come to this place, you tap add. You come down here to search payment method. You can see you have multiple ways to move money around using AirTM, but we are using PayPal here, so you can type here to search for PayPal because we want to move your money from your PayPal account to this platform first. You can see we have two options to move your PayPal money to this platform first. By the time the money gets to this platform, we now move the money to your bank account in your country. The first option to move your money from your PayPal to AirTM is this. That is, if the PayPal money you have is more than $15, that's when you use this option. You use this option if the money you have in your PayPal is less than $15. Let's assume the money you have in your PayPal money is less than $15. So we tap this. How much do you want to add? You can see we want to add $6. We are using the option that is less than $15. You have another two options. The first option will take you less than 1 hour. The second option will take you about 2-3 days. Let me explain this option first. Where you are going to create a US virtual bank account that you can get for free on AirTM. You will transfer your dollar and you are going to get this amount. It's because I have my US dollar here. You see create virtual US dollar. If you don't see it, you see how to create your free AirTM US virtual bank account. You select this option. It will take between 2 to 3 days to get this money in your account. Don't forget, if you check the link below the description of this video, if you use this option like more than 3 times and you've done volume of over $300, this platform will give you a reward bonus gift of $10. Suppose it's this option you want to use because you want to get your money very fast, less than 1 hour. You tap this option. You tap continue. You will configure your account. You tap add configuration. This is where you are going to set your PayPal email address. That is where you are transferring money from. Don't forget, you want to transfer money from your own PayPal account. So that PayPal account now, you are going to put the email here. Then you can name it my PayPal account. You will save. As soon as you save, you follow the process step by step. You will transfer the money to a peer on this platform. That is another person on this platform. That person will now credit your AirTM account wallet. A YouTube video will come out here. I did step by step of how you configure your PayPal wallet account, how you send the money to the peer, how you handshake with the peer. Watch that video. For now, we are going to assume you've transferred the money in your PayPal to a peer on this platform. Let's assume that peer has credited my AirTM wallet. So, and this is the money. The destination is my bank account because the objective is to transfer from PayPal to bank account in your country. So to transfer this money to your bank account in your country, you tap here, withdraw. You come down here, you tap search payment method. Our objective is bank. You select bank. There are a list of almost all the banks in all the countries that is allowed to do transaction on this platform. But you can search here, you search for your country. My country is Nigeria. These are Nigerian banks. So you have two options. You can transfer this money to your local bank account with local currency or to your domiciliary dollar account in your country. For the purpose of this video, let me illustrate with local bank account in Nigeria. I will tap that. I'm sending $6, the one I transfer from my PayPal I will type $6. You can see the minimum amount you can send here to your account is $2.77. You can see this transaction will take less than 5 minutes, within 3 minutes. As at the time of this video, this is the rate I will get in Nigerian naira. You just tap continue. In less than 3 minutes, you get your money in your bank account. I did another video that explains in real demo step by step. Watch that video. It will take you through how to withdraw from AirTM to your local bank account in your country, step by step. So you now know how to transfer money from paper to your bank account in your country. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, click that notification bell. When you do, you are going to always see my videos as soon as I publish them, all the time. Don't forget to drop your comment. Take advantage of reward bonuses of cryptos and that of AirTM that you can get when you use this platform and you meet their requirement. You see the links below the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. I appreciate you. See you in the next video. Bye for now.